All right. Morning, everybody. Happy Memorial Day. This is Sidney Guajardo, coming to you live from San Antonio, and we are the Trading Places. Okay, let's go. May have a lot of alerts pop up today. I turned off my the computer last night because there was a really bad tornado. Not a tornado, but there was a tornado watch. It was a lot of rain and wind last night. So anyway, just be prepared for little pop-ups that you normally get when you turn a computer back on. But anyway, so look at this. I called it short last night and it worked. And that was only my opinion. We didn't want to get the king involved because I don't like getting the king involved with gold and US 30. So let's go ahead and erase this. If you have Sierra charts, you're one of our students, which you should have Sierra charts. If you're one of our students, go to help and download current version, and you should do that once a month, they say. So they have this new thing called erase mode. Just click that and you just go to where the numbers are and click them all off. Very, very cool. So let's find out where we are with gold. We're right here. The general direction is south, but we're going to put a linear regression in there. I like that linear regression, especially on Sierra charts. Look at this. It doesn't matter where you are. You can't mess it up. Oh, God. Okay. So you can't mess it up. You can't mess up the zero line. You can't mess up anything. It's all right there. Very, very cool. So we're going to do text on this one. Nope, that's not it. There we go. It's going to go short, in my opinion. Okay, all right, here we go. Let's go $1.30. $1.30. US 30. Let's go to the erase mode. Let's erase everything here. It went long. Sure did. Went long. It's probably going to continue that way. It is going long here. Put our linear regression on there. I really like this tool. You just start it anywhere and move up. You can't mess with it. Can't. Unless there's another trend going that way. But right here has like a zero line. And if it's on this side, it could bounce. But this is a form of support and resistance. Support and resistance. Very, very nice. And what I'm going to do is I think this is going to go long, my opinion. All right. Very, very good. Euro dollar. All right, let's get to Forex. Something we can not predict, but, you know. Let me see. I like the erase mode better. What the heck? Okay, here it is. All right, where are we? We're right here. We do have a, I don't know if this is a new trend, but this is definitely long there. And we also have the linear regression right here. We start right here. Kind of goes that way. So as of right now, you do have a downward trend, which is giving it pressure to go short, but Right now, with this here, it's kind of blowing things up since it's the last 8 or 9 hours. That has kind of changed direction. So, let me see here. Here's what's making me feel like that it's going to go long. It's at the bottom. Okay, it's already at the bottom here. It may continue to go long, and it's going to be difficult because the markets are going to be a little shallow today for volume sakes. So I'm just going to label this no agreement, but watch for long. Look for want long position. All right, let's go to dollar yen. I'm going to erase all this. Yesterday, we had to cut it very, very short during training. The storm had just come in, and I do trust the surge protectors, but since this is your livelihood, I just went ahead and cut it short and turned off the computer. So I think we went over about maybe 10 pair, and that was about it. But here we go. We're right here. Here's where we are. Let me see. Linear regression. It's right here. It's definitely going long. But there's no agreement right now. But if I had to guess, which I'm going to do, my guess is long. Voila. Does it look kind of weird that I'm putting my guesses long? I don't want people to think that the ones who are about to do our training that I'm guessing on all these. It's just that there's no agreement, so I better put some better notes in there. Let's go to the next one, Euro JPY. I'm going to leave this here. And let's put a linear regression on here. Let's see what's shaking, just to be sure. It's not going to do anything. It's kind of going in a slight upward trend. I kind of like it to go long, but it's not ready for a few days. I think so. With the amount of volume, it's hard to guess, but it has hit the bottom. It's starting to move up. It retraced here and it's starting to go up again. So no agreement. Maybe Tuesday AM. Okay. Something that we could understand when we pull it up tomorrow or tonight. Aussie dollar versus the US dollar. I'm going to go ahead and leave this there. It kind of retraced a little bit. No agreement. That's about right. I'm not going to even put, even though it's kind of gone up here a little bit, the general direction is going that way, but right now it's kind of, if you put a linear regression, even though this is short or this is long, it's going to show that it's a short call or it's a short trend. So, but I mean, it could bounce off of this. It's not a fib line, but it could bounce off this resistance line and start coming back. We don't know yet. There's not really any agreement. That's what we're going to put. Okay. Pound dollar. No, it went north for sure. This is where the money was. It definitely went long from here. I'm going to put a look at this. We're going to call this I just wanted to show off my new tool, huh? No, not that dude. Isn't that a cool tool? No, that's not, yeah. So, run, don't walk. So, isn't that, I like this tool here. This consolidation shading represents consolidation, run, don't walk. I love this, but I'd look for it to go long. So we'll wait for that tomorrow. Let's put another one. Look for long tonight. See if it keeps 2 text messages. It sure does. That's a very, very nice tool. Look at that. It looks very nice, neat, and professional. Dollar Swiss. No agreement. I'd be looking for this, even though it's going long here. I'd be looking for this to go short. But let's put our stuff here. Our stuff. This stuff right here. Maybe I should just do this right here on money line, make it shorter. Linear regression, so we just don't forget. I'm going to do it from here. Let's see what type of, there it goes. This will go short. Short when indicators turn. I like it. Let's go to the next one. Pound. What is it here? Yeah, look for long tonight. It's starting to move up a little bit. Okay. Dollar Swiss. Did we already do that? Yes. Okay. Let's go to Pound Swiss. Yeah, it's in consolidation. Okay, I'm going to leave this here. It didn't move much, but I'm going to use my little... I love this. Right there. Hold on. Move this way so we can see. Right, let me make this bigger. Right there. Put my text message. Get out of the street. No trade. Forex, even though it's a slippery fish, we have got to take our time. The Aussie dollar versus the Japanese yen. So I'm going to erase this. Let's move here. Looks like it's trending to go long. This may not happen till tonight. Let's just go ahead and put this on the watch list. All right. CAD yen. I'm going to keep this here. Didn't move. It's kind of in consolidation right now. See that? I love this little tool here. Okay, let's go to Swiss yen. No agreement. Still maintained its position. It went long. I guess this is where we were last night. We did trading. Okay, hold on. Let me see. This is odd. Hold on. Yeah. Actually, it went short and then it went long. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, let's do erase mode. We're going to keep this here. Where do we want to go with this? I think this is going to, there's no agreement, but it looked for a long. Okay. Let's go to Euro Aussie dollar. It sure went short, for sure. Kind of went all over the place. Let's do an erase mode. Let's get rid of this one, and this one. So, see where we are. Let's break things down here. Okay. It may bounce off of this and head up here. Or, heck, who knows? That's what it's been doing. It's been bouncing up this zero line. Penetrated here, but it came back down. Let me see here. It's kind of in consolidation. Look at that. Just watch it here. Watch this trade. Boy, maybe King Solomon looks like he just wants to stay in bed today. Pound dollar. I'm going to erase this and put a new linear regression on here just to so it could bounce off of here and come back. Let's put our money line. Okay. Let's just call it short when indicators turn. We've gone through about 15-20 pair here. I think we'll go ahead and call it the day today. It's kind of low volume, of course. We kind of knew that already with Memorial Day. Yeah, let's wait till tonight. Let's see how things start to settle down, and we'll start to get some more direction from this. But anyway, guys, from Sydney, Guajardo, and the beautiful city of San Antonio, Texas, we thank you for letting us into your homes or letting us into your lives so we can show you the world of Forex, which is, by the way, the world's largest industry, or produces $5 to $7 trillion a day. And it's an extremely hard market to learn, but we make it super easy. You can go to our website, thetradingplaces.com. If you want to make some money or learn how to make money at least, you can become a student. It costs $3.99 to start, $99 a month. And you get all these wonderful indicators, training every day, plus the VIP chat room where we give out trades throughout the day when there are some. And you can be my friend. But anyway, I want to reach out to all the veterans. I know it's not Veterans Day, but this day is very special as well to honor those who gave it all in the battlefield, and this is why we have the rights that we have today. So I really believe that we were put on this planet to help people that can't help themselves. So let's continue that. Let's practice that. So from Trading Places, I bid you farewell. Thank you. Bye-bye.